Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about some new updates regarding Samsung's next high-end mobile processor, the Exynos 2300. Further, Samsung is planning to use a huge camera sensor for the next-gen Galaxy smartphone, which will be launching next year. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So Samsung has no plans to stop the use of Exynos chips. The next-gen premium CPU is already in the developing process, which is the Exynos 2300. Now this chipset will be based on insanely 3nm fabrication process, which will make it more power efficient, and yes, this will be the biggest improvement on the CPU. Samsung will also use the latest available ARM cores for better performance, and the Eclipse GPU will get upgraded as well. However, as of now we don't really know how much of this improvement will be, but let's see how much this improvement will be when a new update will come. Anyways, this Exynos 2300 will use the new 5G modem as well for better and faster internet speeds. Also, last week we heard about the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will go head to head against the Apple's A16 chipset later this year. This new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be based on TSMC's newly 4nm fabrication process, where the power efficiency will improve significantly and reduce the power consumption as well. Also, the 8 Gen 2 is an 8-core CPU where Qualcomm will use latest core arrangements to get the best of the best performance. Now talking about the graphics section, then this CPU will bring the Adreno 740, and this is expected to deliver at least 10 to 15% more gaming performance. So let's see how this CPU will perform for the S23 Ultra and what will be the temperatures as well. Now moving on to the camera section, then for the S23 Ultra, Samsung might be using a 200 megapixel huge HP3 camera sensor, and with the CPU the S23 Ultra can capture more details even better than the 108 megapixel camera. And to show the full potential of this 200 megapixel camera, Samsung even uploaded a video showing all the capabilities of this sensor, where they have did a test run by capturing the image of a cat and then made an ultra large poster just to show the level of details this camera can bring out. Although this is the older version of the sensor, which is the HP1, and for the S23 Ultra we may see the HP3 camera. Anyways, you guys let me know what do you feel about this in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.